You guys having fun at VBS?
Yeah.
You are? How about you, Tristan? Are you having fun? Oh, are you gonna dance? Are you gonna dance? Are you looking forward to the puppet show? The puppet show with what's the name? Wolf? Wolfer? Wolfer the band. Right? Is Wolfer cool?
Mommy, Daddy.
Yeah.
Name Wolfer.
I can't tell you, that's a secret.
What?